I tossed the Rosti. I did. Take a look. Oh, Steve. Anyway, I did it. A few little bits of potato came down, but I did it. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be smoking some trout, rainbow trout, my favorite, the king of smoked fish, in my opinion. And I got a stovetop smoker. Only about 30 bucks, 25, 30 bucks from Amazon. Amazing. You should get one if you haven't got one. And they're so easy to do. I used it on an induction, worked fine. You can use it on a grill, a gas, electric, no problem. And there weren't any smoke. There was no smoke. It didn't smoke out your house or anything. They were amazing. Anyway, so I did a smoked trout, cucumber, Rosti, all that sort of stuff, all that freshness, all that goodness. So check it out. Thanks, guys. The fish I'll be using to smoke is rainbow trout. Member of the salmon family, this beauty is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and it's perfect to smoke. Other fish to use are mackerel, salmon, sea bass, tuna, sailfish, sablefish, sturgeon, bluefish and mullet, all fantastic for smoking. For the dry brine, add salt and brown sugar to a bowl. Followed by some thyme and mix well. Rub the dry brine all over the fish, now place in the fridge for 1 hour. I place the fish on a rack to cure, so there's a place for the moisture to go. What really complements smoked trout is a creamy cucumber salad. Add yogurt to a bowl, followed by fresh dill, peel, remove seeds, and slice cucumber. Stir well, add salt and pepper to taste, followed by rice wine vinegar and cucumber. Stir well and place in the fridge. After 1 hour, rinse the fish thoroughly and pat dry well with a paper towel. For this recipe, I'll be using a stovetop smoker. Also, some superfine oak wood chips. Place chips in the middle. Add foil, the rack, fish and cover. I use an induction which worked great. Slightly open the cover when you see smoke, close and smoke for 15 minutes. I'll be making a rosti for my smoked trout, which will add great texture. Peel potato and grate. Add to a kitchen towel, squeeze all the water out, and place in a bowl. Add salt and pepper, olive oil, and mix. Add potatoes to a hot pan. Flatten and cook until golden brown. I also added some pickled onions, some greens, and a boiled egg. I hope I've inspired you to get in the kitchen and smoke some fish, because the end result is totally worth it. Thanks guys.